This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Mike Haynes. Large one-story 2-bedroom condo on beautiful Singer Island. Enjoy this villa a half-mile from the beach. Stainless steel appliances. New roof installed in 2020. Impact windows and sliding glass doors installed in 2020. Lights and ceiling fans trough out the condo. Washer and dryer hookup. Large backyard with a wood deck. Huge enclosed rear patio with a storage closet. Retractable screen on the front door. Enjoy life on Singer Island with beaches, restaurants and shopping. For more information, review the details below or contact Mike Haynes at 561-354-1700.